This video demonstrates how to program using ladder logic with OPENPLC software. We have chosen the Cloud PLC with ESP32 controller. Cloud PLC support most of the logical and communication blocks of the OPENPLC software. Let's begin with ladder logic programming with OPENPLC. Click on the OPENPLC software. Click on New on File menu and create New Project folder and select Folder. Give the name for POU. Select POU type LD, ladder logic. Add variables by clicking plus icon. Select the variable data type and I/O pin mapping. Please refer the OPENPLC mapping document at Learning Center, or refer the link given in the below description. Map the input and output address as given in the reference document. Click on Rail and select the number of left power rail. Right-click on the rail and create right power rail. Click on Edit Contact Value, map the input variable, and click on OK. Right-click and add the coil and map the output variable, and click on OK. Connect the input-output terminal to the power rail. Click on Simulation icon. Observe the simulation result by clicking the I/O variables on the left-hand side configuration panel. Stop the simulation. Click on the above icon for selecting the hardware and programming port. Select the board type ESP32. Select the COM port, click on I/O config. Map the required I/O pin as mentioned in the document. Click on Save Changes. Click on Transfer to Cloud PLC. You can see that OPENPLC software dumping the required firmware to the PLC. Now firmware is successfully transferred. Now device is ready for test. Here I have input connected to proximity sensor and output terminal connected to and light. Now you can bring any metal piece near the proximity sensor and observe the output. Thanks for watching video. For more details, check the description.